So good afternoon, guys. So today we are going to discuss about the lab exercise, whatever I shared in the Google Classroom. I already shared the programs via Google Classroom, and I also shared the link to execute the program, whatever I shared. So there are some misambiguity regarding the program and taking the screenshot as well. So this class I'm going to give a small hands-on how to execute the program using that online interpreter and how to take a screenshot, because some of the programs has a lengthier output. So in that, how we are going to take the entire screenshot in a single image, so that it can be easily shared to my mail ID collectively. Okay, ma? So I will share my screen so that you can easily got whatever the thing I am doing online. Okay, ma? So I will share my screen. So are you able to see my screen, everyone? Naval, petroleum guys,
Yes, sir.
and then petroleum,
Yes, sir.
petroleum not able to see. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Wait. Petroleum and naval. Now you are able to see the screen. Petroleum guys. Okay. So I already downloaded the program in the name of Python Lab. So you can either download the entire programs or you can execute, copy paste from the Google Classroom itself. Okay. So this is the first exercise. This exercise number 1, study experiment, is the very first exercise. We discussed so many about this in our theory classes. That is Python modes. The two modes available. One is interpreter mode and another one is interactive mode. So in the lab session, we are following the interpreter mode because of saving the program for future retrieval. Okay, ma? So this was the first exercise. This exercise purely for your record purpose only. So it won't be asked in university practicals. Okay, but rest of the things only we are going to concentrate. So some of the exercises we discussed in our regular lab session. I am not sure how many exercises we discussed in our regular lab session. I guess up to dictionaries, I think so. Am I right? For you guys, how many exercises we completed in a regular lab session? Any idea, pa? Hello?
Six, sir.
Sir,
Yeah,
till pupils, sir. That
till
list and pupils.
pupils. Yeah, till pupils
Yes,
we
sir.
completed. Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
fine. So whatever what I shared in the Google Classroom, eighth exercise is the pupils. This is what the eighth exercise. So eighth exercise is the pupils. So you will leave the exercise number 2. That is one also. Exercise number 1, 2. Exercise number 8. You can leave. Okay, va? Petroleum. How many we started? How many we completed? We means I didn't take the class for you. Benla ma'am, I think so. She took the classes. How many exercises she completed, pa? Up to tuples or up to dictionary? Petroleum. tuples. So same only. So you can leave the exercise from exercise number 1 to exercise number 8. Okay. So from 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 only you are going to execute and take the screenshot, and in turn you are going to share those screenshot to my mail id. Okay, got it pa? So you don't want to execute the exercises from 1 to 8. Okay, so from exercise number 9 to 14 only you are going to execute. Okay, so I will tell how to execute. So I actually opened exercise number 8 also. So I don't want to have that. Exercise number 9 is dictionary. Yeah, exercise number 9 is dictionary. So you are going to execute. I will show the maximized form. So you are going to execute the file with the file name or with the extension .py or Python file. So here you clearly see that the type of the file is Python file and another one is a Word file. So don't make a copy of that Word file because Word file is for theory concepts only. Okay, va? So each and every time in our regular lab class, I discuss the theory concepts of the program, whatever we are going to discuss in the lab, and then I will type the program. This is what we followed in our regular lab session. So say same thing. So Word file is the theoretical oriented, and the Python file is the actual program file. So that Python file only you are going to open. If the Python file not gets open means you can make a right click and then you can use the option open with, and then you can use the option notepad. Okay, this is what the thing. I already installed Python, so it actually shows the Python icon. Okay, so we will execute. I mean, I will execute. So I'm going to open. Okay, I'm going to execute the program now. So this is what the interpreter, whatever I shared, I mean the link shared with you in the Google Classroom, onlinegdb.com/online underscore Python underscore interpreter hash. This is what the interpreter URL I shared with you in Google Classroom. Okay, so this is what the dashboard. So you don't want to worry about anything. The only thing you want to check is make sure that the selected language is Python 3, because this online GDB is the compiler or interpreter for so many languages. If you click on the drop down, it will display the list of languages, that is programming languages. So make sure that, yeah, yeah, Vignesh, என்னடா? Oh, okay. என்ன சப்போர்ட் ஆகல? ஆப் இல்ல பாஷித் வந்துட்டாங்களே, உள்ள வந்துட்டாங்களே. நான் அட்மின் குடுத்துட்டேன், உள்ள வந்துட்டாங்க. ஓகே. இல்ல உள்ள வந்துட்டாங்க பாஷித். ஓகேவா? ஓகே. Uh, so make sure that your selected language is Python 3 in the online interpreter. Okay, then you don't want to do anything in the dashboard. So you are straight away going into the working platform, or otherwise it can be also called as drawing canvas. Okay, so you delete all the thing whatever in the working canvas. Okay, so delete it. So this is the file name. Yeah, Bashit, எதுவும் கேட்கலையா? Naval guys, are you getting me? Then petroleum. Uh, Bashir. Yeah, Bashir. Are you hearing me? Vignesh கேக்குதாப்பா? Yeah, yeah, okay, fine. Mm. So the second thing, uh, before the drawing canvas, there is a file name called main.py. Okay, ma'am. So you can also insert the new file using this option. There's a book symbol. So with the help of this also, you can insert the new file. But my advice is better you can use the main.py alone. Okay, ma'am. So main.py alone. Why it is because means if you insert the new file, it will display the output of the previous program. Okay, because some of the inputs, whatever I get from your students, I mean your co-friends means you are getting the output like hello world or any output not regarding to the program. That is what I got the messages from your friend, I mean student friends. Okay, ma'am. So why that it because means they are executing with the help of the new file option, so that they are getting the previous input, I mean previous output, whatever they are executed. Okay, ma'am. So that what is my advice is you can execute all the programs under main.py alone. Okay, ma'am. So I will tell the rest of the things. So this is what the dashboard. Then the second thing after doing all those things, the preliminary things, then the second thing is you are going to
Hello,
copy the
sir.
program.
Hello.
Yeah, tell pa, Sanjana.
Sir, some are waiting in the lobby, so please allow them
Okay,
inside, sir.
okay.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
no one ma 12 joined.
Now, okay, sir. That Krishna Raj and all, he wanted to join, sir. That's why I asked. You continue, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. Second thing, we are going to copy the files. So exercise number 9 is dictionary. So this is for the program. So I'm going to click on the program anywhere, program screen anywhere, and then I'm using the shortcut Control A. Using the shortcut Control A. Why it is because means you want to select all the program lines. Okay, well, to select all the program lines, the shortcut is Control A. So after that, Control C for copying the program. So once you copy, the next thing is you are going to getting back to the screen, that is online interpreter screen. Then you are going to use the shortcut Control V to paste all the program statements. Okay, ma'am. So check the first line and the last line whether you are pasted the entire program or not. Mm, okay. So I cross verify the entire program get pasted in the online interpreter. After that, I'm going to click on the run button. Okay, well, before the file name, that is this drawing canvas or working canvas. Before that, there is a file name main.py, and before that, run button. Okay, well, I'm clicking over the run button. So it will display some of the output. This program is the lengthier input program, and it also display the lengthier output as well. So you want to take the screenshot in the single image. So how we are going to take that means the second option under your input window, the second option is the maximize option. Okay, ma'am. So you are going to maximize the thing. So after maximizing, you can C means some of the inputs, some of the outputs gets hidden into the window. Okay, va? So what you are going to do means between the program window and the output window, that is drawing canvas and the output canvas, there is a small gray color line. So you are going to adjust that gray color line. Okay, va? So that it will displace the entire output in the single output screen. Okay, va? So after small adjustments, you will get the entire output window. After that, if you are using laptop, you can use the shortcut called print screen button, PRNTSCR button in your laptop keyboard or your desktop keyboard. Some of the laptop or desktop keyboard has the combination called function key and then print screen or alt print screen. Okay, it depends upon your laptop or desktop keyboard. Okay, so make sure that what is the shortcut for that, either alt print screen, function print screen, or else print screen alone. Okay, so I'm going to click over the print screen alone. Then I am going to use the application Paint. Okay, so after that, I'm going to use the Control V. So this is what the print screen, whatever I took using the print screen button. So once you got the screen like this, you are going to select rectangular selection. We are going to select the output like this. Okay, ma'am. After that, you are going to use the crop so that it will displays the output in a single shot with the clear manner. So after that, you are going to save this output. So save as JPEG picture. In this, I'm going to name this. The name is very important. So named as exercise number 9. Okay, well, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use the save option so that it gets saved. So I'm going to close this option. So I'm getting back to the saved image and I'm going to open that, the exercise number 9. So this is what the output screenshot I got. Okay, ma'am. So this thing only you are going to share to myself with my mail ID. Okay, ma'am. So you can collectively collect all the output. That is, execute all the output, take the screenshot like this, and you are going to collectively send the output screenshot to my mail ID. Mail ID I already shared to your group. This is exercise number 9. So starting from exercise number 9 to 14, you are going to execute. This is those guys having the laptop. If you guys having only the mobile, then you can take the screenshot of this screen alone. Now this screen alone, you can use the screenshot option and then you can crop the image. Then you can save with the file name properly. That is what for
Excuse
the
me, sir.
mobile user guys. Yeah, Talpa.
Sir, many of them are not able to join with the laptop, sir. How to join with the laptop, sir?
How to join
Sir,
with laptop?
yes, sir.
Laptop means you want to join the session or you are going to execute the programs.
No, out of session, sir. Many of them asking me
Uh,
how to join the session with laptop.
okay. So myself also using the laptop only. So in the desktop or laptop, I installed CamView, not installation. Just I enter the camu.in URL, camu.in. This is what camu.in.
Sir,
Okay, camu.in. Yeah, help.
சார் இதுல வந்து நம்ம போன்ல காப்பி பண்ணி பேஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியல சார்.
ஏன் பேஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியல? பண்ண முடியுமே.
சார் ஆனா இதுல முடியல சார்.
போன்ல பண்ண முடியுமேடா, எல்லாத்துலயும் காப்பி ஆப்ஷன் காமன்.
காப்பி ஆப்ஷன் வந்துச்சு சார்.
சரி,
அதுல போய் பேஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியல சார், அந்த ப்ரௌசர்ல போயிட்டு.
ப்ரௌசர்ல போயிட்டு ஆன்லைன் இன்டர்பிரட்டர் தான் பண்ண போற. இதுல போயிட்டு
ஆமா.
பேஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியலையா?
முடியல சார்.
நான் போன்லயும் பண்ணி பார்த்துட்டேன், அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் உங்களுக்கு இந்த கிளாஸஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணேன். ஸோ என்னோட ஃபோன்ல ஒர்க் ஆகுது. என்ன மொபைல் இதுல மற்றதெல்லாம் காப்பி பண்ணி பேஸ்ட் பண்ணா ஒர்க் ஆகுதா?
மத்தெல்லாம் காப்பி பண்ண பேஸ்ட் பண்ண ஒர்க் ஆகுது சார்.
ஓகே, அப்பனா ஒன்று பண்ணு, அதை டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி பாரு. இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் இருக்குல்ல, ப்ரோக்ராமை டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் ஓப்பன் பண்ணி அதை காப்பி பண்ணி பண்ண முடியும் பாரு. நீ எதுல ஓப்பன் பண்ண அந்த ப்ரோக்ராமை? WPS டாக்ஸ்.
ஆமாங்க.
ஓகே ஓகே. ஸோ டாக்ஸ்னா ஓகே, ஓப்பன் ஆக தான் செய்யும். நீ டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிட்டு வேணா ஓப்பன் பண்ணி பாரு, ஓகேவா? பிகாஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம் வந்து ஆல்ரெடி என்கிட்ட இருக்குது, மொபைல்லையும் இருக்குது, டெஸ்க்டாப்லையும் இருக்குது. ஸோ நான் அப்படி கால் பண்ணி பார்த்தேன். ஸோ பெட்டர் யூ கேன் டவுன்லோட் அண்ட் தென் யூ கேன் do that copy paste option. Okay va?
Okay.
Okay, so this is what you are going to do. Okay va? So having any doubts pa? Naval, petroleum guys and girls? Hello? Hello, Naval, petroleum?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having doubts, or I can proceed to the next exercise? Okay, fine.
Wait a minute, sir.
Yeah, tell pa, having doubts, Pratyush?
My screen is not opening, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Will you please show that again, sir? How to after taking the screenshot, what I have to do, sir?
Yeah, I will send. I mean, I will share the video in your Google Classroom. Okay, va? And so that only recording the session.
Okay, sir.
So I will proceed to the next exercise so that also you
Sir,
can
you-
easily catch up my point. Yeah, tell ma.
You take next exercise. You
Yeah,
go
okay.
to next one, sir.
Okay, ma.
It's
Okay,
clear,
fine.
sir.
So I'm going to proceed to the next exercise. The next exercise is strings. So the same pattern I'm going to follow or going to do. Okay, va? So I'm going to delete the program whatever in the main.py under the file name main.py. So using the delete key or backspace key in your keyboard, I'm going to delete all the lines of the program under the file name main.py. Okay, va? So I'm getting back to the program, that is string.py. This is what the exercise number 10. Here also there are three things available. Python lab exercise number 10. So three things available. So in the three things you are going to select only Python file, that is string Python file alone. Okay, va? So this is what the program. So the same operation, Control A to select all the program lines, Control C to copy, and I'm getting back. Third, I think so. Yeah, Varun enter. So getting back to the working canvas of the online interpreter, and I'm using the option Control B. So I'm clicking the Pratyush.
Yes, sir.
What's going on there? So much noise. Yeah, fine. Okay. I'm going to check whether I pasted all the program lines correctly. So from the starting to the end, so I pasted correctly. Then I am going to use the option run so that it will display all the output in my output screen. So here also some of the outputs are not visible. I mean, entire output are not visible within the output window. So I'm going to adjust the output window. So this gray color line, I'm going to adjust the gray color line so that I will get the entire output. So yeah, from this I can get the entire output. So this is what the entire output. So again I am going to use the print screen button, clicking over the print screen button in the laptop, and I'm going to use the paint application. So control V, that is pasting. Once you click the print screen option, it automatically get copied. So select and then rectangular selection, and then I'm going to select the output. I'm going to cut the output. So after that crop. So this is what the output. Okay, then save as, and then JPEG picture, then exercise number 10. It is saved with the extension, so I'm renamed as. So this is what the output. I'm getting back to the location where I saved. So exercise number 10-1. So this is what the output for the string program. Okay, well, so like that you are going to take all the outputs. There is exercise number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So all the images collectively you are going to attach to your mail and send to my mail ID. Some cases you can also club this all those image file into one word file, and also you can share the word file to myself. I also explain those. If you want, you can do like that also, because there are so much of images in your desktop or any drives. Okay, so in those cases you can also use that word file. But this are I mean this is purely for the guys using laptop. If you are using your mobile phone, this option is little bit tough to club all those image file into a word file. Okay, if you are using laptop, maybe you can use this option. If you are using mobile, you can share the individual snapshot file, but entirely you can attach into a single mail. Okay, that is what. So shall I tell the procedure to club all those image file into one word file, or else I can skip that? Most of them you are using mobile, I think so. Hello students, guys, Naval, Petroleum, shall I proceed to the clubbing of image file into word, or I can skip? Huh? எல்லா இமேஜ் ஃபைலையும் ஒரு வேர்ட் ஃபைல போட்டுறது எப்படி சொல்லி தரதா, இல்லைன்னா அப்படியே ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிடவான்னு கேட்குறேன். ஸ்கிப். நேவல், no response from Naval. Okay, anyhow, I can stop my desktop sharing and getting back to our meeting.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Sanjana.
Yes, sir. We will club it, sir. We know to how to club, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir. Sorry, I didn't
okay,
listen, sir. So only sorry for late reply,
okay,
sir.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
So until this, we can wind up our session. I can upload the
Yeah.
same video in the Google
Yeah.
Classroom also. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I will
Okay,
give the
sir.
YouTube link of the video, whatever we discussed. So if you
Yeah,
have
okay,
any
sir.
doubts, you can also refer the video. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Yeah.
thank you for your patience.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Uh, keep
Yeah.
safe, guys. Thank you, Naval, and thank you, Petroleum, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Keep safe. Keep safe. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye.